Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the language of business. Today we're diving into a filing that's like a financial plot twist, an updated report from Navitas Semiconductor Corporation. They had to tweak some details in a previous filing, so we're going to figure out what changed and why it matters. Was it a minor typo or a major correction? Let's find out. Navitas Semiconductor, it seems, filed an update to a previous report, a Form 8K AS-E. Basically, they are correcting something in a previous report they sent to the SEC. This has to do with an offering of securities, so it's important. They are updating an exhibit, which is basically a supporting document, to add more details about the deals they made. It's like adding the fine print to a contract, hopefully for good. Now, this filing is all about the exhibits, the extra documents attached to the main report. One exhibit is the underwriting agreement, which is the deal they made with the banks helping them sell their stock. There's also an opinion from their lawyers and a press release about the whole thing. What's new is that they've updated the lawyer statement itself. So this opinion of counsel is about the legality of selling the company's stock. The lawyers are saying that the stock is legally okay to sell. It mentions the company has the shares available to sell and the stock selling plan is all legal. It's basically a guarantee from the lawyers that everything is above board. It's reassuring to know the lawyers have signed off, but it's not exactly thrilling news. However, it is necessary. Now let's talk a bit about Navitas Semiconductor. They're in the business of making semiconductors, which are like the brains of electronic devices. They focus on gallium nitride, which is a material that makes chips more efficient. Think of them as trying to make your phone charger faster and smaller. They compete with bigger companies like Texas Instruments and Qualcomm. The document ends with the signature of Gene Sheridan, the president and CEO, confirming that the information is accurate to the best of his knowledge. Now let's analyze this from a high level. Okay, so what's the big picture here? Navitas had to amend a filing to include more details about a stock offering. It seems like a minor correction, but it highlights the importance of getting all the details right when dealing with the SEC. It's a good sign that they caught the omission and corrected it. It shows they're being careful and transparent, which is what you want to see in a public company. From a financial standpoint, it's difficult to say if this filing changes anything about the company's financials, as the amendment is about legal formalities and offering details. What we do know is that they're in a competitive industry, trying to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. They're betting on gallium nitride as the future of semiconductors, and so far they've been able to raise money to fund their growth. There are risks as well. The semiconductor industry is cyclical, meaning it goes through booms and busts. Competition is fierce and they need to keep innovating to stay ahead. If they can execute their strategy, they could become a major player in the industry. If not, they could struggle to compete. In conclusion, this amended filing isn't a game changer for Navitas Semiconductor, but it's a reminder that details matter. They're in a competitive industry, but they have a clear strategy and the resources to execute it. It will be interesting to see if they can maintain their momentum. Overall, it's a neutral update, nothing to be alarmed about. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know what other filings you'd like me to decode. Until next time, stay curious.